Hi, it's Natasha. I am here with the very much anticipated and highly requested Mature Skin tutorial series. In this first video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve a simple yet stunning everyday eye makeup look. First, start using a matte medium eyeshadow and buff it gently onto the outer corner of your eyelid. Personally, I love using the brush that comes in the mini nude kit. It gives you this instant airbrushed finish. If you have hooded eyes, just make sure to check that the eyeshadow is passing above your fold. This will lift your eyelid. Next, create an outer V on your upper and lower lash lines using a dark eyeshadow and a small precision brush. Make sure that the lines of the outer V are two straight lines and not rounded, and don't pass the fold of your eyelid. This will simply and beautifully elongate your eye look. Next, blend the V, the darker eyeshadow, with the transition shade and a slightly larger pencil brush. Curl your lashes, apply mascara, and this is it.